Hi, in this video we will look at Betheme Sidebars option. Go to Betheme option, then move to Sidebars. Using Sidebar option you can create custom sidebars here. Here I'm creating a custom right and left sidebar. Using layout option you can control the width of sidebar. You can make it sticky and select the line style. Using pages option select on which side you want to display the sidebar. I'm leaving it to use page options. Now, under single post option I want to use a sidebar. I need to type the sidebar name which I want to show on posts. You can do the same for portfolio option. And search page 2. Let's check if sidebar is added to our single posts. Currently it's not showing any sidebar. Because our sidebar is empty, we need to add some widgets. Go to Widgets option and add some widgets to sidebar. Here you have number of widgets to display for sidebar. Now you can see sidebar is added. You can add more widgets. Thanks for watching.